Okay? It says, you're as sweet as you could be. Happy birthday, Nana and Papa.
Okay.
Love you. Happy birthday. We hope you have a great birthday with Nana and Papa. Okay?
What do you say to Nana and Papa?
Say
I
thank
love
you.
you.
You thank
I love
you?
ya. Right here. Dig in.
Another present.
You gonna open it?
Yeah.
No, these are the
What is that?
beans.
Wow.
You didn't, I'm assuming you got changed.
Wow.
Yeah.
Clothes? Clothes for the bees?
Clothes? What kind of clothes?
Hold them up.
Some pants?
Ooh.
Pink pants and blue pants.
Wow.
You like them?
Job.
Yeah. Another one. Another present.
Okay. Here you go. Go ahead.
Don't get lost in there.
Open that one. Hey. I think it's a toy.
I think it's more clothes.
Yeah.
Oh, who's that?
I got those too.
Yeah.
Who was that?
Barney.
You got your own now. Just like
Who's
Sammy.
that one?
The other one has baby ball.
Who is that? Who's this?
Baby. BJ.
BJ.
You got your own Barney and BJ?
Give him to Daddy. Daddy will hold him. Okay?
No presents.
Here.
Happy birthday.
Good.
How old is he now?
3.
3, yeah.
Wow.
Turn around.
SpongeBob.
Think it's some more clothes.
Think some more things.
Look.
You're right, Sam.
Ooh, those are shirts?
Like princess shirts.
Princess shirts?
I have princess shirts too.
Yeah.
I have princess shirts too.
Yeah.
What's the other one that you put to the side too?
What's that one over there?
Cinderella.
Cinderella.
Yeah, this one.
And it lights up.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Like mommy.
See?
Like your Little Mermaid shirt.
Yeah.
Okay.
Another present.
Another present. Just trying to dump it out. Right here.
Again, Leah.
There you go.
Dig in, Lena.
Thank that. But this there's some more clothes in there. Baby bot.
And
Baby Bop and Rip? Just like Sammy. You have all of them just like Sammy.
Yeah. Where's Baby Bob? How old is Baby
the
Bob?
book.
How old is Baby Bob?
And
A movie again.
What was that? Oh,
Oh, what movie is that? Care Bears.
It's all of them.
That's it, sweetheart.
It's all of them.
What do you say? Can you look at the camera and say thank you to Nana and Papa?
Thank you, Mom and Papa.
Say I love you.
Love you.
Can you blow them a kiss? All right.